Alright, hello everyone. Today I want to show you a small tip how to install the OpenCV into the C++ programming. The environment we use right here is the Visual Studio 2019 run on the Windows 10. You can see right here the Visual Studio, okay, 2019. This Visual Studio is quite really easy for you to download from the Google. Type in the Visual Studio 2019 and you download, you install. Okay, it's quite easy. But the important step right here, when you write the code, you want to include the OpenCV. That's the basic library right here. And right now, you see they do not include the library. So they show you the arrow right here, right? The red one. So how to do that? It's really easy. I show you. You go to the link right here. I attach this link to the YouTube, and you go this link. You download the OpenCV 4.1.2 VC14 VC15.exe, right? After you download, you have the file right here in the download. Right here, okay, and you had to install this file. Okay, you double click, okay, and right to extract the folder in the C drive, okay, and click extract. I already did it, so I'll show you step how to do install that. So after you extract, you have the folder in C drive like this, OpenCV, this, okay. So in this one, they contain a lot of library inside. So that's the first step. The second step, you go to edit, variable. You go to the edit system variable right here. And you go to environment variable. You add the path like this. Okay, how to do that? Just click new, type in the variable name OpenCV, and the variable values right here, the path right here. Okay, you copy, you can see /dog OpenCV start new S64 VC15 bin. Okay, the same, something like this, and you click OK. They will create the path like this. They add this path into the environment variable right here. After that, click OK. And next step, you go to the Visual Studio. Okay, for example, you start the Visual Studio. And you create a new project. And click Console F. Click Next. Create a project name OpenCV test. Okay. The tree. Okay. In the folder, you put this project into the C drive. Okay. And create. Right. For example, you want to write this code, right? That's simple code for OpenCV. That's show the on the image to the color. Okay, and right now the Visual Studio do not include the OpenCV, so we need to add the OpenCV into this code. How to do that? You go to Project, OpenCV Properties, and right here you go to this. Before that, you remember you had to do the part right here. Now, edit this as 64, the first step. Okay, and go to property right here and go to VC blah blah directories and go to include directories. We click right here, you take to the C drive, Windows C, OpenCV, view, go to include, select folder. Okay, the first one. The second one, you go to library directories, do the same way, click edit right here, and you go to C drive, go to folder OpenCV, go to view, you go to S64, BC15, left right here, and you select. Okay, one more step. You go to linker input right here. You add dependencies right here. You had to OpenCV, type in OpenCV word for trail d.live. Okay, make sure that you type correct word and make sure this words had to match the name into the folder right here. Go to C drive, U S64, right here in pins right folder they have the OpenCV word 452 right here, 4 right here. It had to have this one. Okay, this folder. Make sure in the left right here they had to this one, and you type in correct this word into the OpenCV words for trail d.lib and OK, and type apply and OK. See, right now the error disappeared, right? Right now you already include OpenCV into the code, so no issue found. But the last step you have to do, go to the pin. You have to copy this file and this file. You copy and you go to the project folder. Last time you put the project folder where? Into the user. When you create project, you know the where you put the folder. Right here, I remember my right here, tree, and you go to the folder. I remember this correct, right? Check the local debug right here to see is the error or not. Okay, they are a deeper and building up. Yeah, some error happened. You should restart the Visual Studio. Okay, should restart the Visual Studio. And open the project you created. Okay, this is simple to show how we include the OpenCV tool successfully. And before you run program, I want to go. You go back to the folder OpenCV, till go to SCT4, PC15, go to the bin. You copy the 2DDL file right here, and copy, and you go to the folder. Your folder contains the project. Let's see, user. Sure. Go. Okay, go to OpenCV, go to SCT4, go to debug. You paste the file right here. Okay, and right now you have to go back to the program and you save and run program. Let's see how it looks like. Yeah, we did it. You can see the OpenCV. They read the file and they show up the display the window right here. Done. Cool. I hope you successfully install the OpenCV and try practice OpenCV on C++. I already have the giveaway the book OpenCV in C++. You can go to the direction and download the book. Okay, let your email. I will send to you the OpenCV right in C++. Okay, and you can practice. Thank you.